If you've ever depended on power, really depended on it, you don't measure it in amps. You measure it in trust, the kind that protects the vehicle and your reputation.
Because at scale, reliability isn't optional. It has to be safe, consistent, predictable, every time. That's why Lithionics was designed from day one to be different. We're a safety-focused, American-built energy company, and we control the critical details of how our systems are designed, built, and supported, so you know exactly what's powering your system. We call Tampa Bay, Florida home, and we keep the critical work in-house. From design and engineering to software, assembly, and testing, it all happens here under one roof. We build our own battery management system, hardware and software. That means we know exactly what goes into every battery because we designed it that way. No shortcuts, no guesswork, no surprises. Batteries should be dependable, power that works in the background, quietly, reliably, day after day. At Lithionics, safety isn't a feature, it's the foundation. Our systems are UL 1973 listed and engineered for worst-case conditions, and we stand behind them with one of the most comprehensive product liability protections in the industry, because accountability matters. None of this happens without the people behind it: engineers, technicians, operators, leadership, people who take ownership of what they build and hold each other to the highest standards. And that commitment shows up where it matters most, in the real world. Lithionics powers marine systems, RVs, off-grid installations, work trucks, medical vehicles, and custom energy solutions. Real applications, real environments, real expectations. Because in the end, our promise is simple. We control the details so you don't have to. Lithionics, engineered for reliability, built for safety, power you can trust.